Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be doing one of the freeCodeCamp take-home project because I think these projects are pretty interesting. Plus, I've been getting quite a bit of views from these projects that we're doing recently. So we're just going to make it into a series where I'm just going to try to complete as many freeCodeCamp projects as possible. Today, though, we'll be working on, rather than doing scientific Python project, because I think I'm pretty much done with all of these. There might be a couple challenges I have to do, but today we'll be doing one of the take-home project. I will leave this link to the description down below for you to check that out. But basically what we're building a voting app. Now, I do fully aware that this says full stack JavaScript app, but because this channel is more, as of now, Python focused, so we'll be using Flask to build a simple voting app. So this is how it looks. It's pretty simple, right? So I created a question here. What do you think the world has more, wheels or doors, right? I can vote for wheels. And I don't know if I can do a duplicate vote, but like you can see there's two. I can see if I can vote for doors. Yeah, I think that's a bug that we probably want to fix. See if it's saved. Yeah, that's probably a bug we want to fix. Um, kind of has multiple. A person can vote twice. Probably we don't want that to happen, right? Like imagine on a presidential election, right? That's probably what we don't want to do. But um, this is what we'll do later. But these are, so the user story is what we need to implement. There are like different features. We'll get to it one by one. But the first thing today is I don't think we can finish the project on one video. We'll just do the setup on Flask. So I know for the past 2 years now actually, uh, I've been mostly focused on Django, but today I just want to travel back to Flask when the channel kind of like first started. I know, nostalgic. Um, and a lot of you recommend to use Flask SQL Alchemy. It's basically like an ORM model, like Django uses, and it's allow you to use these object-oriented programming skills, and so you don't have to do direct SQL queries, which I do appreciate. So this is what I will be trying out in this video as well. Okay, so I'm on Replit. I will leave the rep in the description down below as well. I will post it to GitHub in a bit. Okay, so this is just a built-in app, and I guess what I will do is we'll just first configure this really quick. Let's copy you and let's paste you right there. Here we go. Okay, DB is SQL Alchemy app.config. There. All right, so define model. With app.context. Schema, this for applications, they're not request. If you create, you must import. Okay, so we need to get one of these set up as well. So it doesn't do migration automatically. Let me just have this link open. Okay, so of course I want to kind of organize it. So I think what I will do is I will just create a one called models.py. And in here, what I will do is I will do a couple import from main, import db, and import app as well. So yeah, and we'll do that. We'll import that. how to do that. Okay. Because it'll be main for Replit to download it for you. Okay, so let's see. Class user. All we're really gonna have is email, username, and password. I think hash is 8 bits maybe. I'm not quite sure, but maybe that's that. Okay. Now what do we have? So we have this. We also need to have a poll, right? So ID db.column primary key equals true. If we look at here, right? How they only have one question, looks like, which makes sense, right? Just one poll, and one question, and have different options. Okay, so okay. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Back to Replit. Okay, so you just have a poll, and I'm gonna have a question limited to 128 characters. Password. What am I doing? No password. Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to do class option, and I want to do a one-to-many field or many-to-one. Basically, option. There's many options, so there can be like option A associated to a poll object, or option B associated to a same poll object. I want to kind of do that. It's kind of like join tables, but I want to see if there's a way to do it. Let's see. Define models. Do you like well, not quick start. Okay. Okay, let's look at this. Model and tables. Column. Okay, so I can do a foreign key. Alright. Looks like I can do a foreign key, so I can just say poll ID. Probably. ID is db.column. db.integer. Primary key equals true. We're gonna have an option here. Let's do 128. Okay. So what do we have here? Got that. We got that. Oh yeah. Foreign key. Foreign key. How does foreign key work? So foreign key. Okay, so it's just option.id. Not option, sorry, poll.id. This also reminded me that you need to have a user ID as well. Like that. Alright, easy peasy. So, let's see. How do I do this? Okay. So, I need to do this. Right? I'm hoping that's right. From models imports. Oh, it might be a circular import. I hope not. User, I need poll, I need option. Okay. Well, let's see it. Let's run it first. I should be able to install everything. Okay, so it is indeed installing all the dependencies. We'll wait for that to happen. Yep. Circular import. Alright. Okay. So alright, well I guess for the sake of simplicity. I'm gonna do this. Here. Alright, here we go. Let's run it. Alright, apparently I had to install something called Redberry. Is Redberry in a real fruit? I heard blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Never heard something called Redberry before. Interesting. It's very interesting to see what developer can name stuff like Python. That's so original. I wonder if most people search for Python, do they actually search for the snake Python or the programming language Python? Yeah, I'm sorry for you have to hear all my, inner thoughts while we wait for Replit to do its thing. Yeah, it's what the heck? Why are you so weird? All I did is literally like move stuff around and now you're suddenly import like so many more things. 0.0.7.15. Okay. What do we have here? Alright. I guess today we're just gonna get the setup done. That's probably all we're gonna do, honestly. If you see flags, that's a red flag. This code is abandonware. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what about if I remove that line? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. Alright. Instance project.db. Create a folder for me? Okay. Let's see. So what's a command to write? Okay, let's go to shell. Let's do that. Let's try this. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna add this. Otherwise, the CLI probably will not work. Okay. All right, now what do we have here? So what do you want me to do? Initial migration. Okay, no change in schema detected. Okay. All right, so it did something? Question mark. Anyway, so it looks like I got everything set up. And I'm just gonna create quick README. And I'm gonna do is just paste these docs in here so I can find them next time. But yeah, here we go. So now we've got everything set up. So this is pretty much how we're gonna do in this video. I know it's pretty boring. All we did is just set up, but this is really important. In the next video, we'll be actually implementing these different user stories and see how it goes from there. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and grow your day. Dowsy me out.